In the United States right now, there are basically, it's so competitive in the business world that there are people in California and Silicon Valley that are using all sorts of different things to try and stay focused, to try and be more creative, to try and get ahead. Some things that aren't even legal, they're trying to use microdoses of different illegal substances just to try and become a little bit better version of themselves so that they can do more, so that they can do better in their work. Now, Synergy has some products that not only are they legal, which is great, they're incredibly healthy for you. They change the overall foundation of your nutrition to make you a healthier person, but at the same time, they increase your ability to focus. They give you more energy. They allow you to work better than you would otherwise be able to work. That's why we created the Performance Pack. The Performance Pack contains 4 products: E9, Pro Arginine, Pro 360 Beets, and Pro 360 Greens. These products are products that you can feel. They're products that enhance your energy, products that enhance your ability to focus, your ability to think. And because of that, they really make you be able to do more work, do better work, but at the same time, they're changing your nutrition and making you more metabolically healthy, more fit, and long term, because you're healthier, your brain is healthier, you're functioning better without having to take any sort of a stimulant, any sort of a brain boosting supplement or brain boosting drug or whatever. You're just taking products that are making you healthy. And I want to talk a little bit about how and why this works. Products like Pro Arginine and Pro 360 Beets, they're all about enhancing blood flow. And that is so critically important for our cognitive health. What part of our body is using the most energy at any given time? Unless we're out running or something, it's our brain. And because our brain is using energy, it's using oxygen. When we have increased oxygen to the brain, we have increased nutrient delivery to the brain, our brain just functions better. That's simple. It makes sense. It's intuitive. But we're doing all these crazy things to try and make our brain better when all we should be doing is taking Pro Arginine and Pro 360 Beets. And then we have greens. Greens works actually really well with beets and Pro Arginine because it has things like Schizandra, which actually work in a different mechanism to further enhance blood flow, but it also works well with beets and Pro Arginine because they enhance nutrient delivery. Greens is nutrient dense, full of nutrition, 2 servings of vegetables, full of phytonutrients, full of adaptogens to reduce stress. And when I take it with my Pro Arginine and my beets, I'm delivering those nutrients more efficiently throughout my body. Then we have E9. E9 is the natural energy of the pack. It's built around guarana, it's built around yerba mate, and it's built around a caffeine-free green tea extract that provide nutrients. It does provide some caffeine, about 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving, but it also provides nutrients to help the brain function more efficiently. Things like theobromine, chlorogenic acid, catechins, EGCG, allow your brain and your body to function more efficiently. So the Performance Pack, it's really all you need for increasing your ability to function better from a cognitive perspective so you can do better in your day-to-day tasks, whatever they are.